I don't know if you can tell, but the puffiness is back again. Starts to feel good, goes back to this. Starts to feel good, goes back to this. All right. I really need to get this stuff out of here. This, like I said, there was so much stuff. There's still stuff in the car, but it's a lot of stuff that I've already shown you. It's just repeat buys, so like I don't see what the point of. And I know I used to say, oh, I got it here, I got it at this point, and blah blah blah, explain how to get there, what the rules are, how many you get. But I tell you what, it's just killing, especially with this friggin' spider bite. Whatever it is, I don't even know what it is. Just killing me. This will be a good video. It won't be crappy like that one last night. It was terrible. Still with that clearance. Got like, I never showed these ones. I just brought the box in from the car, so I figured I'd show them to you. I don't really think you even care about that. Really would, but stuff I got for my kids for arts and crafts. That's all that is. Oh. Okay. I think there's 3 different trips in here. I don't remember where this is from. This was last week sometime. I honestly don't know where that was from. We got a whole bunch of score stuff. People always complain about score's not good or who cares, but it's cheap and it's not bad. I think this is Saturday. This is the one my buddy Mark got me. Not that you need to know, I'm just curious. Yep. From Saturday. I think that's Yelich. Yeah, about time they put Yelich on a box. One of the best hitters in baseball. What is this called? A Mega? I can't remember where I got a Mega. And oh, this must have been the Big H. Oh my God. This is Mohegan Lake. Usually I only get Pokemon there because all the sports stuff is out, but good thing the receipt was in the bag. I wouldn't even remembered that. I've only been there twice. Oh. Alright. I should get done with this video early. Actually, I only have half a couch full of stuff. The only reason I got this is because I had all the other ones, and I was looking for the small Babu Frick, and I didn't realize that you got to buy this big thing in order to complete the set. Owen Grady. Stygimoloch. I was wondering. Oh, Indoraptor. Claire Deering. I've never seen Owen Grady or Claire Deering. I might have seen Owen Grady once. I don't remember. But I've seen Blue and Stygimoloch. Whatever that thing is. I've seen these two here. I might have seen him, maybe, but I've never seen these two. So, Indoraptor. Ridiculous. I'll never forget that character of Owen Grady when she said, "Indominus Rex," and he just bursts out laughing. Indominus Rex? Like, what's wrong with you people? Dun, 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 dun. Look at all these. It's ridiculous. I won't even attempt to. There is 10-inch Godzilla, which is this one. 10-inch Kong. Then there's the small Godzilla. There's the Heat Ray Godzilla. I've never seen that one. There's the Mecha Godzilla, which I never saw. Battle Ready Kong I've seen. I never saw the Kong with battle axe. And then Battle Scarred Kong, I've seen those. They get bought up like that. I guess that was when I wasn't really buying them. Now I just buy them if I think it looks pretty cool. I'd buy it. All right. Anyway, let's. Oh, that was in a bag. All right. I'm just gonna get this out of the way. Just say, get these out of the way. Babu Frick. Oh, Babu Frick. They're so damn big. It's the little tiny ones. These are so perfect. They should make them like this. And those big ones, I don't understand why they make them like that. Gotta love Ray. Ray is so cute. I got Skeletors. I got all these things. Blue, come on. Come on, Blue. There we go. Oh, shit. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Oh, I think that was at Monticello. I think I got these at Monticello. I always wanted to do it, and I've always seen them. And I could have bought it a couple times at like flea markets or whatever. I never did, so these were relatively cheap. $6-7, I don't remember. So I got craps layouts and blackjack layouts, and I love shopping up at Monticello. They've got a lot of Jewish people up there, and they only come in for like necessary things. They don't come in for like entertainment stuff. So I mean, like, I wind up spending $300 up at Monticello almost every time I go. Alright, this is today. Well, this was today. And this was today. Alright. Taylor, I think this one was. Taylor. I don't care. I just want to show this stuff. Get it out as quick as I can. I saw that they had Vivid Voltage. So I said, I'll take 2 of those, please. 9:34 in the morning. I love how Target sells these $2 cheaper, or $1.99 cheaper. Right? I don't remember, but they definitely sell them like $2 cheaper than Walmart. Walmart, there's certain things that when they sell things, they just jack up the price. I mean, for business sense, I don't blame them, but for us, you know, it's just jerks. Tunkhannock. Back to school stuff. They're selling them for like 75 cents or something. I was like, I said, great price. And then the lady or girl was like, yeah, blah, 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 blah. And I said, but you'll never sell any of those single subject notebooks. She's like, why not? Like, people will buy them just so they don't have to go to the back of the store. I said, if anyone buys them, they're retards. Ooh, and she looked at me and I was like, you're going to tell me you're going to sell single subject notebooks, like 80 pages for $2.47 or $2.97? I was like, you're nuts. Wolfman. So, even though these are probably pencil cases, they didn't even say what they were for. Crazy art. So I guess you could put paint brushes in. I use these things for my brakes. So you'll see. I have all these crazy different styles of brakes. Oh my God, is this 12 minutes? All right, I got to do this quick. I went over here thinking, you know, they might have had a big box. They only put one out yesterday. Maybe they'll put another one out today. I went over and I looked and there was none. On my way back, there was like a Frozen 2 section, like little girl stuff. And there was like My Pony or My Little Pony, whatever. Dun 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 dun. Bum 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 bum. Of course, you got to go over there for your cracked ice. The guy was scaring me. He was like forcing these into the bag. He didn't have the bag fully opened, and I was like, oh my God, he's gonna wreck my box. My Pikachus. My Pikachus. Alright, I don't think I could do this in a minute. Let's try. Alright, this was the coup de grace. This was the thing I kept saying. I went to Pittston on Friday. You know what? Here's what I'll do. Make it quick. Alright, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 of those. 2 of these. Select baseball. There's 5 of these. One of these. I knew it was going to be upside down. I knew it. Dungeons and Dragons. Adventures in the Forgotten Realms. Okay. 2 of these. And first time I've ever gotten one. I've seen them a few times, but I never get them. All these scumbags always